Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to fix the failed to sign in error in Pokemon Go. Let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your internet is slow or disconnected, Pokemon Go will not be able to sign you in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, make sure your Pokemon Go app is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Pokemon Go, and check if an update is available. If it is, update the app and try signing in again. If the problem persists, clear the app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, find Pokemon Go, then tap Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. For iOS, you might need to reinstall the app to refresh its data. Sometimes the issue lies with your Google or Pokemon Trainer Club account. Make sure your account credentials are correct. If you are using Google to sign in, ensure you are logged into the correct Google account on your device. For Pokemon Trainer Club accounts, visit the official Pokemon Trainer Club website and check if your account is active. If your password is incorrect, reset it and try signing in again. Another step is to check for server issues. Go to the Niantic support Twitter page or online forums to see if Pokemon Go servers are down or not. If they are, you will need to wait until the issue is resolved. Finally, if none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can resolve deeper issues and give you a fresh start. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the failed to sign in error on Pokemon Go. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.